question number 161 that states which of the following is not a correct match for the disease and its symptoms. So let's see one by one. So पहला option है gout matched with inflammation of joints. ये मैच बिल्कुल सही है as in gout there is inflammation of joints due to accumulation of uric acid crystals. So this cannot be an answer. Option number 2 osteoporosis matched with decreased bone mass. ये मैच भी बिल्कुल सही है as in osteoporosis there is decreased bone mass and the common cause is decrease in estrogen levels. So option number 2 is wrong. Option number 3 myasthenia gravis matched with affecting neuromuscular junctions leading to fatigue. So students यहाँ पे myasthenia gravis is an example of autoimmune disorder. And this match is absolutely true. So यहाँ पे option number 3 is wrong. Option number 4, diabetes insipidus matched with presence of glucose and ketone bodies in urine. Now students, ये match गलत है because diabetes insipidus is caused due to hyposecretion of ADH, also known as antidiuretic hormone, and this is characterized by water loss and dehydration, and this presence of glucose and ketone bodies in urine is indicative of diabetes mellitus, which is due to hyposecretion of insulin. So यहाँ पे ये match incorrect है. So our correct answer here is option number 4. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 162 that states given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other is labeled as reason. So यहाँ पे assertion है subphyla Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred to as protochordates. ये बिल्कुल सही assertion है as the phylum Chordata is divided into 3 subphyla, that is subphyla Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata, and among these 3 Urochordata and Cephalochordata are considered collectively as protochordates. So यहाँ पे assertion is true. Reason here is the notochord is not replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column either in larval stage or in adults. ये बिल्कुल सही reason है and this correctly explains the assertion. So our correct answer here is option number 3. Let's move on to next question, that is question number 163 that states the vector used to introduce a functional ADAC DNA into the lymphocytes in the first clinical gene therapy was. So students, as mentioned in NCERT, that this armed retrovirus was actually used to introduce a functional ADAC DNA into the lymphocytes. So our correct answer here is option number 3.
Question number 164. If the length of a DNA molecule is 0.8 meters, what will be the approximate number of base pairs? हमें पता है कि length of DNA is equal to number of base pairs into distance between consecutive base pairs. Now we know the length of DNA, that is 0.8. Let us suppose number of base pairs is x and the distance between consecutive base pairs is 0.34 nanometers. If we convert it into the meter dimensions, it will be 0.34 into 10 raised to power minus 9. And if we calculate the value of x, the value of x will be 2.4 into 10 raised to power 9 base pairs. So the correct answer of this question will be option number 2. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Question number 165 regarding interkinases, which of the following statement is incorrect? First, it is the stage between meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. बिल्कुल सही statement है. Interkinases meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 के बीच में होता है. It is a very short lived stage. So this statement is correct. Second, Chromosomes are completely decondensed and form chromatin fibers. ये गलत स्टेटमेंट है. Chromosomes are elongated but they do not form the chromatin fibers. Third, no replication of DNA. ये बिल्कुल सही है. इंटरकाइनेसिस के टाइम पर रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ डीएनए नहीं होता बट सेंट्रियोल डुप्लीकेशन होगा. फोर्थ, सेंट्रियोल्स पेयर रेप्लिकेट इन एनिमल सेल. ये दोनों ही स्टेटमेंट सही है और इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर 2. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 166. इफ 12 ड्रोसोफिला इन अ लेबोरेटरी पॉपुलेशन ऑफ 120 born during a week, the birth rate in the population is dash individuals per drosophila per week. So in this question they have asked to calculate the birth rate और हमें पता है birth rate can be calculated by the formula delta n upon n delta t. यहाँ पर delta n की वैल्यू होगी 12 और n की वैल्यू है 120 and delta t will be 1 week. So let's calculate. This comes out to be 0.1 individuals per drosophila per week. So इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 167. In the taxonomic categories, which hierarchical arrangement in ascending order is correct in case of the plants? Let's see. First, genus, species, family, order, class, division, kingdom. ये गलत है क्योंकि species is the lowest category. So first one is incorrect. Second, species, genus, family, order, class, division and kingdom. This is correct. Third, species, genus, family, class, order, division and kingdom. ये भी गलत है क्योंकि यहाँ पर order should come before the class. Fourth, genus, species, family. Again this is incorrect because genus is placed incorrectly in this ascending order. So question का correct answer होगा option number 2. आप question में ये भी देखिएगा कि question में plants के लिए कहा गया है. So whenever there is the question is for plants, we always take division. But if the question is asked for the animals, then instead of division here would be phylum. ये चीज आप ध्यान में रखेंगे.
Question number 168 that states nitrogenous waste is excreted mainly in the form of ammonium ions through gill surfaces by. So students यहाँ पे हमें ढूंढना है a monotelic organism. So we know that bony fishes are a monotelic in nature. So among the options given below, the Carcharodon, Scoliodon and Pristis are actually cartilaginous fishes and they are ureotelic in nature. And Katla is a bony fish which is actually a monotelic in nature. So यहाँ पे option number 2, 3 and 4 गलत हो गए और हमारा सही जवाब यहाँ है option number 1.
Question number 169. Biofortification includes plant breeding for all except. Question solve करने से पहले we should know what is biofortification. Biofortification refers to the breeding of crops with higher content of vitamins, minerals, healthier fats, protein quantity and quality. So let's see the options. First is protein content and quality. This is true for biofortified plants. Second, vitamin content. This is also correct. Third, micronutrient and mineral content. ये भी सही है. Fourth, insect resistance. So हम insect resistance के लिए biofortification नहीं करते. हम crops की nutritional value को increase करने के लिए biofortification करते हैं. So correct answer will be option number 4. चलिए next question देखते हैं. Question number 170. Select the correct statement with reference to mitosis. First, splitting of centromere occurs at metaphase. गलत statement है क्योंकि splitting of centromere anaphase के टाइम पर होगा. And the two sister chromatids will move towards the opposite poles. सेकेंड, क्रोमोसोम्स डीकंडेंस एट एनाफेज, ये भी गलत है. क्रोमोसोम्स विल डीकंडेंस एट टेलोफेज. थर्ड, क्रोमोसोम्स aligned at equator in metaphase. This is correct. मेटाफेज के टाइम पे क्रोमोसोम इक्वेटोरियल प्लेट पर अलाइंड होते हैं. फोर्थ, गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम आर विजिबल अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप इन मेटाफेज. ये इनकरेक्ट है. आपकी एनसीईआरटी में लाइन दी गई है दैट गोल्जी कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम आर नॉट विजिबल अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप बाय द एंड ऑफ प्रोफेज. सो इस क्वेश्चन का करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 3.